Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to boost your social media account, any type of social media account: Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, any type of social media account in free without making payment of anything, no spam, real followers. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share for friends, for more audience. So let's get started. In this video I'm going to show you real how to boost your social media with small one website. So when you register, they will give you a 30 coin so that you can just boost your social media. You register it with your own email, so you can boost your social media in free, and you can also do tags to increase your coin. So you come to your browser Chrome like this, click on your Chrome, then what you do, you search for the website like4. So when you search it, then press search. So you will see the website here, guys. Like you see it here, like4. Then you tap on the website. So as per you tap on the website, guys, like you see on the search bar here, on the up of the search bar, you will see like4 dot organization. Then you will see login. When you get the account, you can log in. Then you will see register. So what you could do, tap on that register. Then on this register, what you need to require, you can register with plenty emails just to boost your social media account, but you have to give like interval of these, so that if you boost this then you, because sometimes they are detecting. So you just tap on any random username, like just put you can put Umar like this. Then you can put like Musa, any random name. Then you can use any password. You can put, like, from the username you can just create your password, Musa one. Then you type the password here, Musa 1. Then you have to choose your email here, any email that you want to use for the team. So you can come and check your email. So come to your Gmail like this. So you can select the email that you want to use for the platform. So you can create many email. If you get plenty email, you can use it. So for example, now I want to use this Hawa Saliu 506 Hawa. So it come up like this for me. Then it come up like this for me. So then I will tap on this agreement, their terms and conditions. So then come to this, I am not a robot. So click on it. So you just select random what they said from the image cast. Then select the cast pictures for is very good. You see, I'm done. Then click on that submit button. So the password that I entered does not match each other. So I think I made a mistake from the right up. Musa 1. Musa 1. So I'm not a robot. And click on the traffic lights just for, then submit. So you see, you can save your password. Thank you for registering. So they thank me. So I have to, they will send code to that email, specific email that you register to. So you have to go back and check on the email, like you see on the up, you see like 4 they message me, so you can check the time. So when you click, you will see your code under with blue here, so you can just copy it. So me, I'll just carry it, then 34552. So that is my code. So you need to confirm here too for your robot. So then click confirm. So here you see successful verification. So on the up, you see they give me 30 coins. You see 30 credits. So you are welcome. So now if you want to boost your social media with this 30 coin, so you can come here and select any type of social media that you want to boost, either your Twitter, your Instagram, your Facebook, your TikTok, your YouTube. So come to this place, Instagram. Like I want to boost this my Instagram, because so you come to here, you see this Instagram no get followers. So you just tap on this share profile. When you tap on this share profile, then you will see copy your link. You copy the link of your profile, any type of social media, or specific if you want to boost a picture, like likes for a picture. So you copy that link for that picture so that you can boost it here, or comment. So you come to here where you see number one, add a new social media network page. Then you see get free or buy credit. You can get free coins too when you finish this 30 coin, and you can buy it. So here you just tap on this add new. So it will take you to where you will select your future words, what you want to boost. You see here from the first, you see Facebook comments, Facebook likes, Facebook page, Facebook profile, Facebook share, Facebook viewers, then Instagram comments, Instagram what. You can boost your Pinterest, TikTok, Twitter. So any social media that you see here, you can boost it with that 30 coin free. Then you can get free coin too. So I'm going to boost my Instagram followers. Then I will tap on Instagram followers. So what you need to know here, so you see add Instagram link and get followers. You can add any Instagram profile URL and get follower. So if you want to boost your Twitter, for example, you copy your Twitter profile link. So I will just paste my Instagram link that I copy. So from this link description option, you can just paste your Instagram link too. So from this credit per followers, it means per credit you get 1 followers. So if you calculate per 3 credits now 1 followers, so if you calculate it, is the type of followers that you get. Then you click on this submit button. So we are done. So when you click on this submit button, you see you can post the promotion or terminate them. You can also change the current pay out to a high or low volume. You can set a new targeting daily total limit. So anything you can change it here, but you don't send that, you don't use this 30 coin to boost that your Instagram account, to boost your Instagram. So you can add a new Instagram account, or come and select any type of thing that you want to boost if you get free coin. So you see free credits. These free credits, you have to go and perform a tax. So now you can come to this site where you see navigation bar of 3 lines. So you can see it, add management page. You can like add some features for your page. Then free credits, buy credits, special offer borders. You can also boost your social media with your money here. So, but what you need to know, if you want to do this free credits, is a tax that you don't do. That is why I told you it's like real followers you are going to get for your account. So for me, I used to just create the account with a bunch of emails, so to get more followers on my social media, with likes on my social media. So you click on this free coin if you want to perform the tags to get the free coin. So now you will select the tag you want to perform the tags. Either you want to like the Instagram, so you select it here, the tags you want to perform. So you see credits plus, click like button, like it on Instagram, click confirm button. So when you click this confirm, see the time happy hour expires. So it can expire if you know the sharp, you see. So click on this happy hour, it will take you to Instagram, because now Instagram you select. So it will show you the list that you have to go and click on it. You see, I like this man account. So you press on this confirm, so you don't confirm. So you see my coin don't add 40 coin, you see, for all. So you can just do your tax like this, you see, 40 coins add. So you can get another, any type of like specific, if you want to get free coin. So you see, my coin just add to 40 to 30. When you register at 30, if you perform tax, immediately they will add it for you. So that is it, how you can do your like 4. So for example, if you come to our Instagram, when you fresh it and you see the followers is not adding, so you just wait, because na real followers they are going they are to add for you. So you just wait for it, for the time to just run. If the thing no do, so you can just boost it again, add your Instagram link, then do it like 2 times. If the thing, if your boosting no drop, so if you do it 2 times, I think the boosting will automatically be dropping one by one, because someone's they are doing also the tax, so they are the one to follow your. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share for more.